Hi friends, we come up with a new video and today's topic is the article marketing guide. Introduction to article marketing exposed. There are a few important ingredients to creating high performance article marketing campaign that maximize the overall effectiveness of your marketing efforts while ensuring that you receive the most exposure possible from each article that you submit into the online directories. First, writing an article on just any topic is not going to yield the results you are looking for if you have not first conducted keyword research to identify what your target audience is actively looking for and the exact keywords and phrases they are using to be able to locate content on your topic. This is fundamentally one of most critical elements of a successful article marketing campaigns. The closer you are able to target your prospective customer base with well-written articles that incorporate primary keywords, the most traffic and exposure you will be able to generate. Think about the possibilities if you carefully evaluated a niche market, creating keyword swap files of highly relevant terms and phrases and incorporated them into your content. Not only will this help you position yourself within the search engines, but your visitors and readers will be exceptionally targeted. It all begins in researching and evaluating potential market prior to creating your content. Continuing with the architectural marketing guide, we come across to identifying your target audience. Before we can begin to create our first article marketing campaign, we need to choose a topic for our articles. When evaluating potential topics, consider the first, what market do you plan to cater to? Second, what products are you planning to promote? Third, are these niche markets evergreen? Fourth, the people currently purchasing products within this market. Fifth, the are there affiliate products to promote? Conducting market research is a critical part of becoming a successful article marketer. If you intend on promoting affiliate based products, you need to place a severe focus on four critical elements to researching any niche market. The first is whether there are desperate buyers in the market who are eager to purchase a solution to an existing problem. Second, the size of the market. How many buyers are currently purchasing products or services within this niche? Third, existing competition within the market. You want competition, it means a viable and active market. However, you need to ensure the competition isn't so thick that you will struggle to penetrate it. Fourth, quality and quantity of products. In the market, you want to focus on markets that are evergreen and offer an abundance of products to promote in your article marketing campaigns. Once inside of ClickBank's marketplace, enter in keywords or keyword phrases that describe the niche that you are interested in. If you are not sure what topic to begin with, you can simply browse through the most recent products that were added to the ClickBank marketplace or search through existing categories. You will notice that with ClickBank, each product listing features specific information regarding its current stats. Here is what these mean. Sale: the amount of money you earn for each sale. Feature: average, rebill revenue, and total. Sale: average total per sale including all rebills. Sale percentage: the percentage of the product sale price that the sale represents. Sale refund percentage: fraction of publishers' total sales that are referred by affiliates. Graph: the measure of how many affiliates are promoting the product. For each affiliate paid in the last 8 weeks, ClickBank adds an amount between 0.1 and 1.0 to the total. The more recent the last referral, the higher the value added. The gravity indicator will tell you how well a product is selling. So a gravity score of 100 means a product is potentially selling better than one with a gravity score of 20. Focusing on what is currently selling will make it exceptionally easy to come with ideas for your own products as well as what topics to write about. Here is one note to make, and that is from within the ClickBank marketplace. If you click a create hop link, ClickBank's system will generate an affiliate link that is custom and assigned only to you. You will need to create a free ClickBank account prior to being able to generate an affiliate link for specific products. Start by writing down a few topics from the marketplaces that are currently in demand. With each topic you write down, create your hop link and copy and paste that into your text file so that you have it when it comes to creating your landing page. Spend 30 minutes or so browsing through all of the categories on ClickBank. Don't just pick one or two, but try to create a list that encompasses products from all different genres and niche markets. Finally, you should end up with something that looks like this. Water to gas. There is a hop link http semicolon double slash your id, that is your id, then full stop, water for gas dot hop dot clickbank dot net and slash. The hop link is closed. Next one is satellite TV for PC. Hop link for this is http semicolon double slash double x dot ipo dpsp dot hop dot clickbank dot net slash. You need to dominate each product you promote within the article directories. You do this by having more articles than your competitors. Let's review what we learned. We will come with the review that what we learned in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.